just got to the 4th of July parade, boys.
Hell yeah, we did.
Fourth of July, mid-Missouri, boys. Hell yeah. Here we are, boys. You ready? Fourth of July, 2026. You know how we do. Riding in the parade, boys. Hell yeah. I think we found her, boys. It's gonna be a good time. I think we're gonna be riding with close to 200 bikes in the tail end of the parade today, boys. Should be really cool. Pretty exciting. It's going to be our first time riding in a parade, so we're going to take you boys along for the ride. They're rolling in now. They're dope.
That's pretty dope. That's the Terminator bike, the chrome one. That's the all-chrome Terminator bike that they came out with.
Go, brother. I'm doing good, man. How are you? Hell yeah, you too, brother. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, boys. We're here at the Rolling Thunder 4th of July celebration here, boys. Hell yeah. Got bikes everywhere, boys. Bikes.
I heard somebody say 200 plus so far.
I don't know about that. I heard there's 100 plus here, I believe. Maybe 200, maybe 200 coming. I figured the motorcycle community would show up and show out, boys, and they definitely have. Got the Dynas here, boys. Hell yeah. Beautiful bike, man. Beautiful bike.
It's different all the way around.
Hell yeah.
Head on the back end.
Hell yeah, man.
It's totally different all the way around. You're in purgatory on the back. If you're in purgatory if you ain't riding.
I heard that,
Unless
bro.
the wind's in your face and everyone goes, go drive your car. It's not the freaking same, man. I can go place on my bike, your car can't.
A little Phantom.
Just you, baby. Gotta love them. Gotta love them.
Get one of those on Marketplace for about 15 grand right now. I'm trying to learn how to burn out.
That's where we're at. That's where we're at. We got Dynas, but we're trying to do the same thing, man. We're trying to do the same thing. Birdie. It's Birdie. You can see me in the oil pan, boys. You can see me right in there. Hey, guys.
1662 out of 1999.
Oh, yeah.
God, they only made a limited amount.
Yeah, no. Limited number. Where's that badge at right there?
Oh, yeah.
Right there, boys. Alright. We'll catch you boys on the ride.
Hell yeah.
time had about, I don't know, at least 100 bikes on it.
I'd say, sure.
Oh man, it's a good time. Just want to say happy birthday to America, boys. Hell yeah, boys. Oh my God, it's crazy. I want to thank you boys for tuning in. Catch us next week at 420. And until then, boys, ride hell bent for leather.
Hell yeah.
It's still on, boys. Oh my goodness, you got some inside footage.